Simply delicious stacked nachos. Alright, let's get started. First we're going to need those delicious nacho cheese Doritos. Then we add taco meat. Check out the earlier video. Then we got refried beans. Nice smooth taste. Delicious cheddar cheese. Lots and lots of it. Don't skimp on this. And then we do this all over again. First, nacho cheese Doritos, taco meat, and then refried beans. And of course, cheese. Lots of cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Let's put it in the microwave. 1 minute will do. Comes up nice, hot, and bubbly. Now we put those delicious toppings, starting with black olives, jalapenos for that extra kick, spicy, diced tomatoes for color, and then we use the Mexican flag color, starting with guacamole, representing the green, sour cream for the white, and salsa for the red. Simply delicious stacked nachos.